Hello everyone and welcome to the session 4 of Unit 4 Drilling and Milling Machine for the course Machine Tool Technology. Course code is 15ME43T. Myself Mohammad Imran. So today, in the today's session we are all discussing about all about jigs and fixtures, their definitions, their application needs, etc. So what is jigs and fixtures? So jigs and fixtures are the production tools used accurately manufacturing the duplicate and interchangeable parts. So when a mass production has to be done for the similar components, so when there are separate different operation has to be done repeatedly and the same kind of operation has to be done repeatedly. So in this case, we are using jigs and fixtures in order to hold the workpiece and locate the workpiece and also guide the tool to do the particular operation. So in such cases, we are using jigs and fixtures. So you have to remember that jigs and fixtures are used for a particular operations only. You cannot use a one jig to the another operations. So jigs and fixture are particularly used for a particular workpiece and particular operation. So you cannot use jigs and fixture of one component to the jigs and fixtures of other components. So once the jigs and fixture is designed for that component, we have to use for that component only. So we cannot use for other components. So it is preferred when mass production of the same component is done. So in that companies or in that products, we are using jigs and fixtures. So jigs and fixtures are production tools and used accurately to manufacture duplicate parts. So similar kind of parts and interchangeable parts. So you can see here jigs. So this is the jigs and this is the fixture. So fixture usually its name it will use it to fix the workpiece, whereas the jigs is used to fix and also it will use it to guide the workpiece, guide the tool. Jigs and fixtures are specially designed so that the number of components can be machined or assembled identically and to ensure interchangeability of uh, components. So, in order to produce the similar kind of identical parts for mass production, and if there is nothing has to be changed from say one component to the another component, interchangeability means there should not be any difference in the dimensions or maybe the in the accuracy or a surface finish of the two components. In such cases, we are using a jigs and fixtures. Uh, so next, one by one, we will discuss what is jigs and what is fixture. So jigs and is a device, is a work holding device that holds, supports, and locates the workpiece and also guides the one or more tools to perform the specific operation. So jigs is a device which is used for holding, locating, supporting, and also guiding the tool to do the one or more operations. So you can see here. So this is the jigs here. It has fixed the workpiece. At the same time, it is allowing the tool to perform the drilling operation, the particular operation by providing the hole. So it is guiding the tool also in a in combined with the supporting or guiding the workpiece or fixing the workpiece, it is guiding the tool to perform the operation in a particular spot only. If there is no hole here, we cannot do the operation here. So it is also guiding the tool, including the fixing or supporting the workpiece. It is also guiding the tool do the specific operation. So the main purpose of the jig is to provide the repeatability, accuracy, and interchangeability in the manufacturing product. So if you want identical parts to be manufactured, if there is a mass production, if there is should not be any changes between the components, if you have identical components without interchangeability, and if you want a repeatability of the dimensions, the surface finish, and everything, in such cases we are using jigs. You have to remember that the jigs is it will hold the workpiece, locate the workpiece, and also it will guide the one or more tools to do the specific operation. Fixture, as the name itself says, it is a used to fix the workpiece. It will not guide the tool. What is the main difference between jigs and fixture is the fixture is used to hold, locate and also guide the one or more cutting tools, whereas fixture is used only for holding the workpieces. It will not guide the tool to perform the operation. So I have to remember the fixtures are not used to guide the tools, whereas the jigs are used to hold and locate and also guide the tool to do the operation, whereas the fixture will not guide the tool except the guiding the tool. All the operation which is done by the jigs is done by the fixture except the guiding the tool. Fixtures are the work holding device which holds, supports and locates the workpiece but not guides the cutting tool to perform the specific operation. It will not guide the tool. It will use it only for holding and supporting the larger workpiece. The main purpose of the fixture is to hold and locate the workpiece during any machining operation and provide repeatability, accuracy and interchangeability in the manufacturing process. So similar kind of operation what has done by jigs, it will be done by the fixture. The only difference is that it will not guide the tool unless on the guiding the tool. The every operation is done by the fixture. So in order to produce the repeatable identical parts with interchangeability and same dimensions in the manufacturing operation. So next, the important difference between the jigs and fixtures. As we have discussed, the jigs holds and locates the workpiece as well as guides the tool. The jigs holds, locates the work as well as guides the tool to do the specific operation. You can see in the figure. See here. So it has a hole. So that means the drill bit will come through this hole and it will do the drilling operation here. Whereas you can see there is no any holes or any extra portion to move the tool in the fixture, so it will not guide the tool. It holds and locates the workpiece but not guides the tool. That is the main difference between the jigs and fixture. The jigs is usually lighter in weight and sometimes jigs are held by hand only without clamping. So jigs are lighter in construction so that it can be held by hands also. Without clamping, we can hold in hand by holding the jigs in hand, and it can do the operations because of its lighter weight. But the fixtures is commonly heavier in construction. It is used mainly to hold the larger workpiece compared to the jigs. Fixtures are commonly heavier and robust as it is required sustain cutting forces and vibration. So it is clamped firmly with the work table. So jigs is lighter in construction, the fixture is heavier in construction. That is the difference. A jig is considered easy to use and thus less skill is required to operate and device. Fixture is somewhat complicated to use and thus required skill. So why? Because the less skill is required, because already it is guiding the tool. So if the jigs is fixed means no need to use your extra skill to do the operations, because it has already it is guiding the tool to operation by locating the machining places. So it will locate the machining places itself. So there is no need of any extra skill or any extra measurement is required when you are using jigs. Whereas in case of fixture, it will hold only the workpiece. The remaining operation you have to do by your knowledge, by using the making the different using the dimension accurately, marking the dimension in case of if there is a hole, you have to if you have a coordinate dimension, its circle diameters, everything. If you are machining on a circular component, you have to mark the coordinate dimension of all the holes by measuring accurately with using the height gauge and everything. But in case of jigs, no need to use of this marking and everything for locating the hole. No need to measure the coordinate dimension and everything, because it is already mentioned in the jigs. So it is just you have to move the tool along the place provided in the jigs in order to do the operation. So less skilled operator is required in case of jigs, whereas in fixture, the fixture only holds the workpiece. It will not guide the tool. So every other operations such as marking before drilling. So you must know that before drilling operation you need a marking. So marking exact point where you have to drill. So that you have to done manually, either using simple tapes or maybe using precision height gauge when you are making a coordinate dimensions, pitch circle diameters and everything. So no additional device is required for locating the cutter with respect to job. So no additional device is required in case of jigs for locating the cutter with respect to job, because it is guiding the tool. There is no additional device is required. So additional accessories like blocks, gauges are desired accurately to move the cutter in the intended location. So extra accessories are required in case of fixture in order to guide the tool, whereas it is not required in case of jigs. Jigs is frequently used in drilling, boring and reaming and tapping operation. So jigs are mainly used in drilling operation because it is easy to locate the guide the tool by providing a hole. In boring operation, so whole kind of operation is done by using jigs. So whereas the milling operation, planning, shaping, providing flat surfaces, producing the flat surfaces, all these things are done using by using fixtures. So jigs used for holding the work and guiding the tool in drilling, reaming and tapping operation, whereas fixtures are used in planning, turning and guiding operation as discussed earlier. So next, the advantages of jigs and fixtures. Productivity. So since the time actually in machining operation, the very much time is required while setting up of job. So by throwing job, by making the center, so setting the job to accurately by using dial gauge or by using any other material, any other measuring instrument to make the exact centering of the job, so which requires more time, so if you do manually. But if you are fixing the workpiece with the help of jigs and fixture, so there is no need of centering or throwing the setting of our job, so it will reduces the setting time, so that will increases the production efficiency. So the operation time is also reduced due to increase in speed and depth of cut because of high clamping rigidity. So clamping is also very rigid, so there is no need of giving the less speed by to in order to avoid the vibration and everything, because since it has the jigs and fixtures firmly they are holding the workpiece, so you can easily give the cutting speed, feed and depth of cut as required. So that will increases the production, reduces the production time, and operation time is also reduced. That will increases the productivity, interchangeability and quality. So if you are using jigs and fixture, the similar kind of work is produced with there is no much change in the dimension and quality of the workpiece, because we are guiding the tool also in case of jigs, and the workpiece is self means exactly centered, so there is no change in the dimension or whatever uh, the accuracy is required. So jigs and fixture facilitated the production of article in large quantity with high degree of accuracy, uniform quality and interchangeability of the at the competitive cost. Skill reduction. So there is no much skill is required if you are using a jigs, as usual we are discussed, because already it is guiding the tool to do the operation in a particular place. So there is no extra skill is required in order to find the location of the holes and everything. So it will reduces the skill of the operator. There is no much skill is required if you are using jigs and fixtures. Cost reduction. So total we are saving the productivity, increasing the productivity, interchangeability and reducing the skill. So totally overall it will reduce the reduction of the scrap by reduction of the cost, and also it will reduce the scrap, because if you are doing manually there is a lot of rejection due to the human error, so that will be reduced because there is no human intervention in this jigs and fixture, so that will decreases the scrap, so it will increases the higher production and saving the labor cost and result in ultimate reduction in the unit cost. Need of jigs and fixture to eliminate the setting time required for machining. So that is the main intention of the jigs and fixture. It will eliminate the setting time, but just by fixing through the jigs and fixture there is no setting time required. If there is a larger and complicated workpiece, then it is requires more time for setting the workpiece in the machine. So that will be reduced by using jigs and fixtures to increase the machining accuracy and also increase the production capacity. So since the workpiece are firmly secured using jigs and fixture and also it is guiding the tool, the machining accuracy will be increased and we can give the feed and depth of cut as required because there is no fear of vibration and everything because we are firmly gripping the workpiece by using jigs and fixtures. So require less skill operation as we have discussed earlier. There is no need of marking and everything in case of jigs and fixtures. So reduce the production cost. So overall the production cost will be decreased by reducing the scrap and human errors to increase the machine and labor utilization. So if the machine is making the operation manual means automatically by using jigs and fixture, we can utilize that labor in some other places. So we can increase the labor utilization to simplify the work handling and to increase the quality of the production in the industry. To enable quick setting of the tool and proper positioning of the work. So before going to end the session, I will show you the simple video of the jigs and fixture. So
let us see the 3D model of a typical jig. A jig is a metal working tool used to hold the workpiece and to guide the tool during machining operations. Let us see an application of jig in drilling operation. Here, the jig holds the workpiece and also guides the tool to drill in correct position. Leaf jig. Let us see the 3D model of the leaf jig. Leaf jig is an open type jig in which a leaf or a plate is arranged to swing about a hinged point to load and unload the workpiece easily. Vise. Let us see a 3D model of a vise. Vise is a mechanical screw apparatus used for holding or clamping the workpiece. Turning fixture. Face plate is one of the turning fixture. Let us see the 3D model of the face plate and its purpose.
thank you for watching.